This is a place on the fifth floor of our school. Classrooms around this place is usually used for math classes. Students here study or enjoy their free time. This is a place where we can find students talking and sharing their ideas. There is a math quiz posted on the wall, and every week new question is given to the students. Students freely participate in solving the problems and submit the answer and the process. The best solution of each quiz is also made in public so the students could be able to see others' ideas. There are many opportunities to share ideas for students in Sasa as we can find in this place. This is a place where students have music classes. There are places to keep one's instruments so students can play and enjoy music whenever they want. There is a piano, which is one of the most popular instruments, and we can find students playing or listening to the one playing it. Students in Sasa are able to learn how to play many kinds of instruments. Some learn how to play double bass or guitar, and etc. Also, by playing ensemble with our friends, we are able to enhance our musical talent. There is one of Sasa's special places here, which is the karaoke room, and students are able to relieve stress through singing. As we can see from this place, students in Sasa not only study hard, but also enjoy cultural life.
The place I will introduce is a 409 on the fourth floor. This is a molecular biology lab and there are several biotech equipment. There is a microplate leader for DNA quantification testing. There are gene amplifiers and real-time gene applications quantifiers for DNA analysis. And it is a place where several instruments that help experiment are stored together. There are refrigerators for drug storage, micropipettes for more precise testing, large experimental table with items in optimized form, and scales that can be measured to the most precise units in our school. In order to use this advanced equipment, you need to get permission from Mr. Izegu in the teacher office on the second floor. Sasa. The place I will introduce is A103 on the first floor. A103 is a room where guests from outside stay, but how can we use it when it doesn't have a visit? This room is used for third grade students. There are desks and comfortable chairs that are good for self-study. It is a room for seniors who are about to enter the university. There are two levels of lighting here, so you can use it as a comfortable room or a bright room atmosphere. There is a broadcasting device near the entrance, so it is used for multi-purpose room that the staff uses when performing in the school lobby. This is our school's art room. Many students' creative activities are carried out in this space. Especially, we manufacture many structures using laser cutting machines. These lasers in the art room is a very expensive state-of-the-art laser. It's a laser that is delicate enough to cut from MDF to paper. In addition to these work production activities in the art room, many students also draw pictures. Especially drawing with ink is popular among students these days. Students come to the art room during breaks on their free time and paint with their ink pens. Many students also spend their free time in the art room and relieve their academic stress. This is the secret space of our school, the ceramic room. It is a space used by students of our school ceramic club, Seongyeongang, and various works such as cups, plates, and objects are produced here. Students gather on the weekends to talk and listen to music while they make their own pottery. While relieving stress, students can enjoy their hobbies here. They say that students are healed by touching the soil, and also they can use their imagination to draw on the pottery they have made. It's a place where pottery is made, but art classes are also held here.
Hello, I'm Nayeon Kim, a sophomore in Sejong Academy of Science and Arts. I'll introduce the lobby on the first floor and the gym on the second floor of the main building. In the lobby on the first floor, various events are held, including the presentation of results of creative research in the first grade, busking during the Humanities and Art Week, celebration of Teachers' Day, and cheering events for the third grade entrance exam, or exhibiting works made in art class or works that participated in a math structure contest. The gym on the second floor has various sports equipment so that students can enjoy their leisure time. There are 2 treadmills, a leg press machine, a stationary bicycle, and dumbbells of various weights. Students enjoy exercising at the gym during gap between classes or break times.
This whole line is where experiments related to chemistry are conducted. There are several labs where individual experiments can be done. Each seat has a mini hood that absorbs harmful gas that is made from chemistry experiments. This is a picture of some chemicals that are used to make nylon 66. Our school is ready for experiments that are considered as dangerous, as all protective equipment are available for all students who are planning these experiments. There is also a supply room where most chemicals are stored according to their safety phrases. In this room are 2 spectrometers and 1 hydraulic press frame. The UV-VIS spectrometer is one of the most often used machine related to chemistry. UV-VIS spectroscopy is a quantitative technique used to measure how much a chemical substance absorbs light. This is done by measuring the intensity of light that passes through a sample with respect to the intensity of light through a reference sample or blank. Next, I would like to introduce the library. Our school, being specified for students gifted in science and math, has corners that are specialized for these experiments. AP books that are used in university and science magazines that share the hottest new trend in science are placed in our library. Starting from professional books related to physics, chemistry, biology, and earth science, to a combination of papers related to even granular topics, are placed openly so students can use them in their study. Our school also provides a certification for famous paper sites, which helps students in their self-directed research.